Welcome to Earnings 101. Today we'll be discussing Earn Money Online with a How-To website. Make sure to subscribe and hit the like button if you find it helpful. Are you looking for a great way to make money online? A How-To website can be a great option. These websites offer readers valuable information on a wide range of topics, and they can be extremely profitable for website owners. First, let's talk about why a How-To website can be such a great moneymaker. People are always looking for helpful information on the internet, and a How-To website provides just that. Additionally, these types of websites usually have very little competition, making it easier to get your website noticed by potential readers. And finally, because How-To websites provide such valuable information, they tend to rank well in search engines, leading to more organic traffic to your site. If you are interested in creating a How-To website, the first step is to choose a profitable niche. Consider what you're passionate about, what topics you have expertise in, and what problems people are looking to solve. Once you've chosen your niche, the next step is finding keywords with commercial intent. These are keywords that people are searching for when they're looking to buy something or hire someone to do something. You can use keyword research tools like Google AdWords Keyword Planner and Moz Keyword Explorer to find these keywords. After you've found your niche and keywords, it's time to start creating content. Make sure your content is well researched, accurate, and helpful. You can monetize your website through various means such as Google AdSense, affiliate programs, and sponsored content. Continuously optimize your website for SEO, to ensure that your website is easily found by potential readers. Keep in mind that building a successful How-To website takes time and effort, but with the right approach, it can be a great way to earn passive income. Thanks for watching our video on Earn Money Online with a How-To website. We hope you found it helpful and informative. If you're serious about building a successful How-To website, don't forget to check out our other videos on the channel. And visit our website, www.earnings101.com for more information on how to make money online.